Acupuncture for stress and anxiety. What you need to know. Hi, I'm Cindy Wang, licensed acupuncturist at Henday Physical Therapy. If you have ever felt stressed or anxious, racing thoughts, tight shoulders, restless sleep, you are not alone. Acupuncture offers a gentle, natural way to help your body relax, ease tension, and restore balance. Let me explain how it works. Stress isn't it just in your head, it shows up in your body. It can cause tight muscles, jaw tensions, headache, fatigue, sleep problems, digestive issues, and that constant feeling of being on edge. Over time, this keeps your nervous system in overdrive, makes it harder to feel calm and grounded. How acupuncture helps? Acupuncture gently targets specific points on your body to help regulate your nervous system. It can lower stress hormones like cortisol, release calming endorphins, improve blood flow to ease muscle tension, and shift your body into a relaxed, rest and digest state. At West Henday Physical Therapy, every session is tailored to you, whether your anxiety shows up as tight muscles, restlessness, or trouble sleeping. We designed a plan to help your body restore balance. Practical calming tools demo. Acupressure points, yin tang, between eyebrows. Apply gentle pressure here with slow breathing. Helps quiet the mind and ease worry. Ear acupressure, Shen Men, under inner ear. Massage this point in small circles, known as the calming point. It helps release stress. Breathing reset, 4-4-6 method. Inhale through your nose for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 6. A powerful way to signal safety to your nervous system. Stress and anxiety can feel overwhelming, but they don't have to take over your life. Acupuncture is a safe, gentle approach that works with your body to restore calm and balance. At West Henday Physical Therapy, we provide personalized, compassionate care. If you are ready to feel lighter, sleep better, and breathe easier, book a consultation with us today. Bonus Q&A. Is acupuncture safe? Yes. When performed by a licensed acupuncturist, it's very safe and virtually painless. How soon will I notice the results? Many patients feel calmer after just one session, while lasting results often build over a series of treatments. Can I combine acupuncture with other therapies? Yes, acupuncture can be combined with physiotherapy, massage, or other therapies to boost recovery. Consult your provider for a tailored plan.